FM, and I've been telling I said we get the big fish in the building today. On top movie tales, we get Richard Muffin Damager in the building.
Okay.
You know, say if Nollywood get university, now the VC be this, and not be every day would they get time because we get people where they on WhatsApp, we get people where they call on the phone line. But first of all, they go directly to that phone line to take your calls. Who they there with us? Who are they follow talk? Good afternoon.
Hello, my name is Broda Shaggi. I call for Mushi.
Oh, we're busy, Johnny. Which one be your exact name?
Hey, what's it concern with my name? Okay, give for tuale. Follow start talk.
Sorry, sir. Please.
Hello, I'm saying they hear me for there.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Oh no, now you be my number one fan.
Okay, that will be your fan.
Yeah. All your film. I don't watch everything. Before they born you, I don't watch your film alone.
Oh, so what you want follow I'm talking? Talk now, they hear you.
Hey, what, Miss Pepper? If I hear your voice again, we will catch you for mouth. Oh shit. Hello.
Oh, sorry, we lost that call. Make we quickly pick another one. RMD, you know, say we get plenty characters. Who there with phone line? Hello.
Dead body go surplus.
I mean, they follow and talk that time. Whether I want cut phone for my ear.
Oh, no, not cut phone, na network.
Na network.
Yes.
No be your money, I need you. No be your money, I need. But if you give me money, how much you give me? Pata, give me 1 million, 2 million, go finish. No be your money, they feed me. I just want to take picture with you. Make I show them for area and say, okay, me say I sabi them do. Oh yeah, say fine, help me take this picture.
What type of plane is this? This is plane.
What's up?
Why you gonna squeeze me like that, babe?
You see my problem. You see my problem with celebrity. So I don't feel hug you now.
You hug me, but don't be the way you dey squeeze my waist.
Wow, now we dey watch your film. Oh yeah, no, I'll put one for my neck so that they go know say you sabi me.
I not be babe.
Put one for my neck, no worries.
Okay.
Hey, stop picture now. Yeah, say she is. She love it. Oh no, hey, bring her. You see where you tie with her. Say, where you go?
What's it again now?
You go show love now.
You say you don't need money just now.
Okay, so because I say I don't need your money, that one means say no compensate me. You know where I come from? All the way from Mushi.
No.
Baba give boy something that. Yeah, RMD one be on it. Yeah, we got that. Yeah. I know you. I know. Where make I open?
I need your food,
I brought this down. Oh yeah. Wale down.
No dey repeat.
Hey, hello, auntie. Sorry. What up?
Is there a problem?
No problem. I beg, Wasobia FM, we started the close for you.
We don't close. It's a 247 radio station.
Okay, it's a 24 hour. No problem, I go wait.
Why? Do we have a problem?
Sorry.
I said, do we have a problem?
Auntie, your voice look familiar.
Of course. I work here, the radio station.
Oh, you work on the radio?
Yes.
Good. Please, help me just talk. Say, hello, good afternoon. Who did you? Why they follow to? Help me.
Why should I say that?
You can't say that.
No, I can't say that.
You will say that.
I said I won't say that.
Yes, you must say that.
Security!
He shot you. Oh, okay. You can't secure. You see that now the fear police have been. Sir. No comment on you.
I don't have plans for that.
No worry. We go plan you.
Run, no.